Previously, we have installed Rasa, and in this video, we will learn how to initialize a Rasa project. So first of all, we will open the Anaconda prompt, and you have to make sure that you activate your environment. So for that, I will write the command activate, and the environment name is my environment, so my env. So the environment has been activated, as you can see here. And now if you want to initialize your project, first of all, please navigate to the location where you want to develop your project. So let's say I would like to develop my project in the D drive. So I will first of all navigate to the D drive using this command d colon. So as you can see that right now I have navigated to the D drive. And then here you can actually choose a folder where you want to initialize your project. So it's your choice. Either you can manually go to D drive, you can manually create a folder over here. That's absolutely your choice. Or you can create a folder using this command mkdir. And let's say I would like to give the folder name as my chatbot. Okay. So I have created this folder called my chatbot. You can check it out over here. It's present. Now I will go inside the folder cd my chatbot. Okay, so I'm inside the folder my chatbot. So you can navigate to the location where you want to initialize the project. Okay, and here I will write the command Rasa init. Okay, so this is the command for initializing the project. Rasa init. Click enter. Now it is asking me, please enter a path where the project will be created. Default current directory. So you have to enter the path where you want the project to be created. But we have already navigated to that location. So that is your default directory. So you don't have to enter anything. Okay, you don't have to enter any path. Just click on enter. Okay, so the current directory will be your default path. And it is asking me, do you want to train an initial model? So you have to type yes. Okay, now the training and initial model will start. And this process might consume some time. Okay, so I will actually see you guys after this process is done.